Today is Thursday, August 11th, 2011, and this is just going to be an update of what's been going on since our last video, because we're probably going to be changing some things. So with that being said, you can see Paul has got some trees in, and the mountain scene is coming along. Got some more trees here we gotta install yet. We got our little town, or not town, but little mining site, I guess you could say. We will eventually have a backdrop back here. Here's a full length shot. Been working on the yard board. See if I can get it up here. Hey, spaghetti. I got my Tomar switches in. See if I can change color so you know whether to go forward or backwards. Got the lights down the end so you know which line is on. Two of these are the new LEDs. Two of them are the old incandescent that I will eventually change. Here's this board. Track 1, track 2. Left power pack, right power pack. Here. Switches, which I should have installed down here and up here instead of running them down here. Here's the city scene as it stands right now, but Paul wants to change it. So, and I lost the train. Let's go see what happened to my train. Up. Here it comes. Oh, just saw a derail. Hold on. Okay, got that taken care of. Here comes Dad. What are you going to do today? What are you going to work on today?
I'm going to see if I can stop shaking.
Okay. Back to the city scene. No lights in the buildings yet. Got our Howard Johnsons, our row homes, our storefronts. Some built, some purchased on eBay. Got the church, the Paul built. Here's a view from this side. Yes, of course I realize that our slope is extremely too high, but I just turned the speed on the train up. Got a helix on the inside of the mountain. Today I'm going to work on the yard, putting in some more switches. Got our factories, trucks, factories. This doesn't go here. This goes over here. Still got some work on the road. We're probably going to turn this road into a hole in the wall to make it look like it's going out. And we will have a backdrop all along to match. We want to put some trees or shrubs I want to put graffiti on the wall. So all that's going to be there. But right, oh, there goes our track cleaner. So we're going to clean the track and see if it makes it through. Oh, I heard a derail. Oh, it fixed itself. Here. Double crossover. Very difficult. Underneath, you want to see some wiring. Double pole, double throws to work the lights. One into the switches. Everything's going along good. And Paul wants to put this road on instead. See if I can get it in focus here. So we're going to see how this works out instead of the road that I put down. And that's about it. Everybody have a good day. Thanks for watching. And this one's not... Go ahead. Slow, 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 slow. Atta girl. Easy. Oh, it came off the track. I didn't get it on all the way.
I have a question.
Okay, come on, put it the other way. No, put it the other way. Atta girl.
Are they your blocks and these your blocks?
Yeah, I took them from the yard. Okay, backwards, the other way. Up. It came off again. You run into trains. Almost crashed.
But I stayed.
Come all the way out to right here. And then I'll switch this switch to come backwards. Out, a little bit more, stop, up, what? No! Whoa! Back, and... I'll put this one on. Up. Disconnect it. Go hook it up again. What happened?
I don't know.